are 10 confirmed cases of the measles across the city. 8 of those cases are among migrants living at this shelter here in Pilsen. Of those cases, 2 of them are CPS students. The infected students from the migrant shelter go to Cooper Elementary Dual Language Academy in Pilsen and Armour Elementary in Bridgeport and are now in quarantine. Chicago public health officials said unlike other students, migrant CPS students are not required to be vaccinated to attend school under an exemption for children living in unstable housing. But not knowing who is sick and who isn't is exactly why Zyra Cardenas' mom pulled her and her brother out of Cooper School today. They feel like CPS officials need to be more transparent.
I think they should be a little more honest. It makes me like, I can't go close to someone and stuff because maybe they might be close to people that have it.
We talked to infectious disease specialist Dr. Robert Zitchenberg with Advocate Medical Group about why more cases are popping up and why it's becoming a real concern in our area.
We thought some years ago that measles was eradicated, but it's not, largely because there's a big proportion of the population now that's not vaccinated. So we are very concerned about measles.
The Chicago Department of Public Health Commissioner says they have not seen cases come through Chicago, and the initial health screenings at the landing zone for migrants where they arrive are focused on identifying symptoms and urgent medical needs. Under CDC rules, the city then has 90 days to set up more comprehensive physicals for those migrants, which could include vaccinations. Dr. Sitchenberg says most of us have immunity, but many still are at risk, especially young children not yet vaccinated. So how can you make sure you are covered?
There's a simple blood test called the measles IgG. Your doctor can order it. Usually you get the result back in about a day or so, and that tells you if you have immunity. And if you're not immune and you've been exposed, you really need to get the vaccine right away because that can help either prevent you from getting measles.
Of the 1,900 migrants living in this shelter, officials say about 1,000 had previous measles immunity, but about 900 had to be vaccinated and now must quarantine for 21 days.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.